This guy got down on one knee on his porch and asked his girlfriend to marry him. It was late in the afternoon and the sky was soft orange while the street was quiet. He reached into his pocket and pulled out a small box, and his hands were shaking a bit. He looked up at her and said that she means everything to him and that he wants to spend his life making her smile. She was standing there with her hands over her mouth. She started laughing and crying at the same time and said that she was the lucky girl. He slid the ring on her finger and she leaned down to hug him, and the porch light flickered on right as they did. They stayed right there with that same smile caught between them while the streetlights came on one by one.
Waiting for the right moment, and I think this is it. Will you marry me?
Oh my,
Are you serious? Completely.
yes, yes.
Put it on.
You just made me the happiest
Maybe
guy.
try on camera.